Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. You are expecting Saumya madam, right? Madam is not feeling well today. That's why today I have come to teach you. Yes, children. I hope you all are enjoying learning about animals. Yes, you are learning about different types of animals, no children. Even today's class also we are going to learn some more things about the animals. Yes. Now, before starting, one question to you, children. Do you all do we all, you, your parents, your sister, brother, do we all need food? Yes, no, we need food. So why we need food, children? We eat food to grow, to get energy to do work, and also to be healthy, right? And what about these animals, children? You are learning about amazing animals, no? The lesson is, the block is about the amazing animals. Do you all remember that? So what are these amazing means what? They are so wonderful creatures on the earth. And what do you think? Do they need food, children? Yes, animals also need food. And what type of food do they eat? Now, to understand about that, we will do one simple activity first. Okay. Now we will select some few animals. 5 different animals we will select. And we will, one by one, we will think and write what type of food do they eat. Shall we start? If you have a paper and if you have any rough book or notebook with you, you can also start doing this activity with me. Whenever I say the name of the animal, just think where you have seen them and what they might be eating. Yes, shall we start? Very good. Now we are learning block 3, no children? Block 3. Amazing animals. Now, today we are going to learn about what animals eat. Yes, why do they eat? They eat to grow, to get energy. You have seen, no, they'll be moving here and there. Even you learned in the first block, no, they are fast moving, slow moving. Why do they move? To search for the food. Yes, and water. So all the living things, that is animals, also living things need food. Now, just we will write 5 names and we will think what will be their food. You all have seen hen, no children? Whenever you have been to a farm or even nearby houses, some will be having the hen. What do the hens eat? You have seen them all the time. They'll be pecking here and there. What do they eat? Here, have you seen the people who are having the hen, giving them some food? What type of food they give? Very good. They'll give them some grains. And also, you might have seen them, they will be pecking the soil and they'll be eating some small insects also. Very good. And have you all seen cow, children? You might have seen cow, right? So many about different types of animals we learned, no? Even that time we learned about farm animals, do you remember? So what do cow eat? Cow eat grass and leaves, no children? So generally grass and leaves, plants, that is they eat the plants. Now, next we will hen, cow, cat. You might have seen a cat all the time roaming here and there. And even previous lessons you learned that if cats are there, they will catch the rats. Yes, so they will eat the rats, meat of the rat they will eat. And if you give some milk also, they will eat. If you nearby any cat is there, if you have a pet cat also, if you give milk, it will drink. And if you give rice also, cooked rice also, it will eat. So cat will eat the meat of rat. And also sometimes it will eat rice also, no children? Yes. Now, have you seen elephant? We all like to watch elephant, no children? Very big animal and always watching elephant will be a fun for people. Now elephant, what do they eat? Have you seen them eating sugarcane? The elephants are fond of eating sugarcane. Yes, they eat sugarcane. Now coming to our lion or tiger, any one animal, what do they eat? Do we give them food? They live in the jungle. No, already we learnt about the wild animals. They'll be in the jungle and they will get their own food. They'll search their food and they'll get. So what do they eat? They'll kill and eat the other animals. For example, like deer, they'll eat the other animal. See how animals are differing in their food habits. All will not, even though all are animals, they are not the same. Some are farm animals, some are wild animals. Already you people know about that. Now see how are they differing in their eating habits also. Some eat grains, insects, some eat grass, leaves, some eat the meat, some eat, again sugarcane is a plant only. So they differ in their eating habits. So by now, if you are not completed also, like this, you select any 5 animals of your own wish. Yes, 5 animals which you have seen, and you try to think and write what type of food they will eat. So I hope that you are enjoying the class. So we will learn what type of food, why they will, how they are differing in their, how animals are differing in their eating habits. Yes, children. Now I am going to draw two circles, and from that we are going to learn something. Yes, see here. Now here we are going to write the names of some animals that will eat only plant eating animals. Just now we discussed, no? From that also you can say some of them which are eating the flesh of other animals. Flesh eating animals. Here I will write in this circle, I will write the flesh eating animals. In this circle I am going to write the plant eating animals, and here you will see that some of the animals are going to come. You will know that what are those animals also. So now can you say, name children some animals which will eat only plant, they will not, and never you have seen them eating the meat or chasing and killing and all other animals and eating the meat. Yes, very good. Just now we said cow, horse, a giraffe and elephant. Like that we can keep on adding many animals, even the rabbit. Yes, all these are plant eating animals. When you go to higher classes, you will learn about them. They are called as herbivores also. See, these all animals will eat only the plant parts, root or the stem or the leaves or any, but they eat only the plant. Now shall we write some of the flesh eating animals name? Yes, you all know that lion will eat the flesh of other animals. Tiger eats the flesh of other animals. Any other animal, children? Leopard, jackal and all these animals. There are many wild animals which will kill and eat the other animals. Flesh and meat both are same of the other animals. Now here, no children, this place, some animals we can write which will eat both. They will eat sometimes plant, sometimes they will eat the other animals also. Like our cat. Just now I said no, cat will eat rice. Rice is a plant product only, no children. From plant only we are getting rice. And also dog. Dogs will eat some, if you have a pet dog, if you give rice, it will eat. Yes, if you cooked rice, if you eat, it will eat. At the same time, dogs are fond of eating bones. No, we learned in the previous lessons also. So they'll eat both flesh and also the plant. And also even hen, no children, hen. I don't know. Hen will peck the grains. Grains are from the plant. Insects also they'll eat. And also ducks. Duck also they'll eat some plant and also the flesh of also the small insects. Like that, so many. In these each group we can find many animals. What are the 3 groups now we have made? First group is plant eating animals. Yes, they'll eat only the plant. Example, see some examples are there. You can find out more examples. Some of them eat the flesh of other animals. They are the lion, tiger, leopard, jackal. But some animals are there, they will eat both. Which both? Flesh and also the plants. So like this, animals can be categorized into 3 groups: plant eating, flesh eating, and which will eat both. Here what name we can give for this? They eat both flesh and plant eating animals. Yes, no children? So like this, there are so many different things we can learn about the eating habits of animals. For example, animals living in the ocean, sea and all, sea like whale and all. What do they eat? Have you ever seen what they are eating? Yes, they'll eat the small fishes in the water. Yes, and have you seen snakes, children? Snake, where I can keep in this group? Snakes will eat plant or flesh. Where we have to keep? Yes, they will eat the other animals. Yes, and have you seen? Even we learned about birds, right? So many birds we learned. Yes, so they will be flying here and there, and there are some birds like we learned about vulture also. No? Yes, do you remember vulture and all? So they will eat the flesh of other animals, vulture, kite, eagle and all, they will eat the flesh of other animals. So like that, eating habit of animals differ from one animal to another animal. Mainly we have three groups. Some of them are plant eating, some of them are flesh eating, some of the animals eat both the flesh and for plant. Both the flesh and plant they will eat. Yes, no children? Now, in your textbook, you have some pictures. So, will you please observe the pictures, what is given in that. And few more things about the animals we are going to learn. Now, here you see children, lion and tiger is there. So, how they will get the food? You tell me how they will get the food. Who will give them? Already we learned, no, wild animals, how they will get the food. They'll go and hunt, no, they go hunt and kill the other animal and they will eat. Yes, but here this jackal is there. See, jackal, what it will do, you know, jackal, it will also eat the flesh, but it will eat the dead bodies. The lion, tiger, they will hunt and they will leave the, after they eat, they will leave, no, those dead bodies they will go and eat. Not only jackal, wild dogs are there. Vulture, just now I said, it will also, they won't hunt. Hunting means they will not go kill the animal and they will not eat. But if suppose they have died and they are there on the, anywhere on the forest or anywhere, they will go and eat. So some of them are like that also. Even though they eat the flesh, they will not do the hunting. They will eat the dead animals. Yes, and if suppose you are having a dog at home, dog, cat and all, so how they will go and they'll search for their food. If you have a pet animal, so we will only give. But if you take the lion, tiger and all, they will search their own food. So their food habits differs. They'll eat the, what they eat also differs, and getting the food also they differ from one animal to another animal. Here only you can see. Now if the rabbit, you are having a rabbit at home, for example, it is your pet rabbit, you will only give carrots and you will bring the spinach, different things, and you will give it. So that rabbit no need to go and search for the food. But the same rabbit is in the forest. How it will get the food? It will go and search where the grass is there, where the other fruits and all, whatever is available in the forest, it will go and find it on its own and it will eat. Same way cow. If you have a cow, you have a farm, for example, you are having a cow. So how will you, what will you give? You will get the food and you will get the, give the grass and leaves, water, everything for the cow. But same way horse also, if the horse is there with us, we will provide the food. But you take the giraffe, it will be in the forest. So giraffe has a long neck also, no? It can get the leaves and it will search what are available in the forest and they will get their own food. Same way elephant in the forest, they will go search for the food and water wherever it is there, they will go and they will take and eat. Same way here, already we have discussed, lion, tiger, leopard, they will hunt and they will eat. But if you take the jackal and wild dogs, they are also flesh eating, but they will eat the dead animals. Like that we can add a vulture and all also here. And some of them eat both. Even there also, dogs you might have seen, no, sometimes they will, if the dog is not taken care by anybody, if it is on the streets, so it will be searching for the food and it will be eating. Somehow some will give, and sometimes they will be searching and they will be hunting the small animals and also they will be eating. Even cat, see, if the cat is at home, it can chase a rat and it can eat it, no, so it can go hunt and eat the rat, and you will give something that also they will eat. So like that, they not only their eating habit, eating food, also how they will get the food also is different from one animal to another animal. Yes children, so today's class we have seen that animals differ in their eating habits. Not only their food differs, some of them eat the plant, some of them eat only plant, some of them eat only the flesh of other animals. But yes, children, some animals eat both the plant and flesh of other animals. That's what we learned. And by mistake, I said we are learning block 3. This is block 2, amazing animals, children. We are doing the block 2. Now, in your textbook, please take, when you have the textbook, no, still with you. Take open your textbook. Take block 2, that is page number 18, children. You can see so many pictures are there in your textbook. Yes, food that animals eat. So only few lines have been given. So you can nicely see here. First picture is a goat picture. Then you have a panda. Then you have You have a rabbit, owl. See, you can try to name all these animals, and also I said no, some five animals you select. From this only you can select some five animals, and it is given also here. You can find out and what type of food they will eat. See here, so many animals are there. This part, after this lesson explanation is over, you are going to read and you will do on your own. Yes, children. Now you take out your workbook, children. So in your workbook, it is page number 16. And food animals eat, S3 we are doing today. Write the date, children. See what they are asking you. First question is, what do animals eat? What do they eat? What type of food they eat? What do they eat? Yes, shall we write that? Yes, everybody take open your workbook. Keep it ready. Take the pencil. What do animals eat? See, now you can, already we discussed, no, some eat plants, right? Very good. Some eat flesh, right? Flesh of other animals. Yes, no, children? And some of them, what they eat? What do they eat? They eat small fishes. No, whale, I said no. Small animals they eat. That is only flesh. And also some of them eat insects. Some eat grains. Like that you can add up some all, what all they will eat, you can think, and few more also you can write. And see here, children, there is a match the following. Match the animal with the food it eats. So first they have given you hen. Hen, what it will eat? Very good, grain and insects. So you can join, or you can join a line, or you can write the A near to the answer. Dog, what it will eat? Milk and meat. Very good. Elephant, grass and sugarcane. Whale, big animal, it will eat the small fish. Frog, children, you have seen a long tongue, it will take and it will eat the sorry, frog will eat the insects, right? Very good. Now see how I have written the one diagram I drawn. No, same way fill the Venn diagram with the names of animals they have given. So I hope that second A matching you can do on your own. B1C, you have two parts, no, children? So plant eating and animal eating. Animal means flesh eating. And the middle it will come, what will come? Which will eat the both, no, children? So now from this only, when the for the say names of animals from there. So now you tell me hen, where you have to write? This is for the both they will eat. So hen should come here. Very good. Now dog, children, dog also both. It will eat both flesh and plants. Elephant, children, plant eating. They eat sugar cane, right? Sugar cane and grass and all the leaves. And whale, children, it will eat the other animals, small animals in the water. And frog will eat the insects, right? So that is also here. Yes, no, children, like this you have to fill that. You can add up also more animals which you know. Now, how is the third question? How is the food of pet dogs different from the food of wild dogs? So pet dogs food and wild dog food, how it is differing? Pet dog, who will give the food? You will give the food. Yes, but the wild dogs, they will eat the dead animals. In the forest and all, dead animals will be there, no, that they will eat. But the pet dog, it will eat the milk and whatever bones, whatever you give, that they will eat. But the wild dogs, they'll eat the dead animals. Hope you can write that. Shall I write that third answer here? See. Pet dogs eat meat and milk. Wild dogs eat dead animals. And for the pet dogs, who will give? We will give the food. But the wild dogs, they will only go in search of food and they will eat. And complete this and complete the S3. No need to write the same answer. You can think and on your own try to give your own answer. This is only for an idea what to write, children. And then you will, in the textbook there are so many animal pictures, no? So from that you select any 5 and write, stick the pictures or the A4 sheet, and you can write what type of food they eat. Complete this and learn further, children. Again, when I get some time, I will come and meet you. Bye bye, children.